Hi again. If you're getting started and you're wondering how to install Cursor, go back to the previous video. We've covered everything you need to know about getting your wheels on. Cursor alone isn't going to get your Supra development environment moving. You've got the wheels, but now you need the transmission. That's where Docker comes in. Cursor is the wheels, but without your transmission, you're not moving anywhere. It connects all the moving parts so your code runs the same at the same time. In a clean, isolated setup, no more, I'm having issues with my machine. So what is Docker? Docker packages your app and everything it needs into a container. A self-contained setup that runs the same anywhere, no matter your system. Think of Docker like a Bento Box for your apps. Instead of handing out ingredients and hoping everyone cooks the same meal, Docker gives everyone the exact same neatly packed box with apps, its libraries, tools, and settings all ready to go. Whenever you open it on your laptop, your friend's PC, or a cloud server, it runs the exact same way you intended it to. So let's go through the process of installing. Alright, so let's start off at the homepage of Docker. You can also find this by searching up docker.com. Click the button, download Docker Desktop. Pick based on the operating system you have. Since I have Windows, I'm going to be using the Windows AMD 64. Now check out your downloads file. Click on the installer. Press OK to add a shortcut to your desktop. The installation has finished, so just press the close button. Now since Docker has opened, this is what it will look like. Since I don't want you to be lost in the weeds, I'm going to show you everything you need to know on how to use Docker for Supra CLI in the next video. Docker is installed and running. That means your development setup now has both wheels, which is Cursor, and your transmission, which is Docker, which is then ready to go. Next up, you're going to install the engine, which is Supra CLI. That's the part that actually powers your Supra development. Let's finish building the full setup.